The power tussle in Punjab still continues between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Sources have now told India Today that Punjab Chief Minister and other prominent congressmen are not in favour of appointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the Punjab Congress chief, and that a decision likely to be taken by the party high command in Delhi. The issue will be raised in the parliamentary meeting. Captain and many other leaders are of the view that the position of Punjab Congress chief must be given instead to Pratap Singh Bajwa, who is interestingly a key arch rival of Sidhu. This as Captain met Bajwa along with the State Assembly Speaker Rana KP Singh last night to explore options. Sources have added that Sidhu is also gearing up to take charge already as the State Congress's president. He's likely to even visit Golden Temple in Amritsar after an official announcement gets made. Sources are now telling us that Sidhu's close aides believe an official announcement may take place in the next few hours. And there have been marathon meetings with Congress netas yesterday, while Captain Amrinder Singh met Harish Rawat, the Congress Punjab Affairs in charge, and that without ruling out a possible truce with Sidhu. Let's go across now to Chandigarh. Manjeet Sehgal has been tracking all the latest on this. Manjeet, the fact remains that as of now, the rift is wide in the open ahead of elections. What are you picking up primarily? Because it appears Sidhu is confident. He is in the good books of Gandhi family, while Captain is saying, I am senior, listen to what I have to say.
Yes, Pooja, Captain Amrinder Singh has given his nod for Navjot Singh Sidhu's elevation as Punjab Congress Committee Chief, but with a rider. Captain has categorically told the party high command that Navjot Singh Sidhu first publicly apologized for criticizing his own government and making 150 tweets that were derogatory in nature against him. If Navjot Singh Sidhu publicly tenders an apology, then he will be able to meet him. On the other, a section of senior congressmen are also not on board with the party high command regarding Sidhu's elevation. Captain has also told the party high command that the cabinet expansion is on the cards and he will not tolerate any interference regarding the expansion. Besides this, if the working presidents are to be appointed, that will be of his choice and Navjot Singh Sidhu will not interfere. Meanwhile, yes, a lot of political activities taking place in Chandigarh. Captain's well-known arch rival Pratap Singh Bajwa met him yesterday. Now today he is going to have a meeting of Punjab MPs at his New Delhi residence. So what remains to be seen, whether Navjot Singh Sidhu tenders a public apology or not. Pooja?
Manjeet, it's very interesting that for now, whether there will be an apology coming in, whether there will be at all a peace formula. Remember all of this happening in Punjab-ruled, Congress-ruled Punjab, which is heading for elections again. And when the Congress should have been instead gearing up to ensure that they return to power. Manjeet Sehgal with all the latest. I'll come back to you shortly. Now, the Punjab power play, while it is escalating, as sources are telling India Today, that Captain Amrinder Singh is miffed. And he has told very categorically to the Congress Punjab Affairs in charge, Harish Rawat, that he wants a public apology from Sidhu before any peace formula can work. So can that apology, as Manjeet also telling us, will it come in at all? Sidhu has been chairing hectic parleys since morning with Congress netas, apparently to garner support for more. Here's what's been happening on the ground, especially with regard to Sidhu possibly becoming the PCC chief.
There is no stopping the war of the Sardars. The battle between Punjab's Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu is getting murkier with each passing day. As the Gandhis desperately look for a truce formula before the upcoming polls, Congress is trying to put up a brave front as its Punjab in charge Harish Rawat tried to downplay the bitter feud in the state after his meeting with the Chief Minister.
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी ने जो पहले एक महान बयान दिया था जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था whatever decision will be taken by the Congress President, by the CP, that will be honored by me. I will abide by that. So he reiterated that statement today also.
While Sonia might be supreme for the captain, an angry Amrinder has ruled out any samjhauta with his rival for the time being, say sources. India Today has learnt that Amrinder has sought a public apology from Sidhu for his tweets against him for any truce formula to work. The Chief Minister has clearly stated that he will abide by what top brass decides but will not meet Sidhu unless he gets an apology. Captain earlier reportedly sent a letter to Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi expressing his displeasure over Sidhu's possible appointment as Punjab Congress chief. Sources say, despite the captain's opposition, Congress's truce formula involves appointing Sidhu as Punjab Congress president along with 4 working presidents.
कहाँ चिट्ठी है कि जिसमें यह कहा गया कि सिद्धू को डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया प्रधान? ये कोई भी सब चीजें जो है वो चर्चा है, और मैं आपको कहूँ ये बाहर की चर्चा है। जब कांग्रेस की चर्चा कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, कांग्रेस पार्टी मीडिया के सामने आकर के 1 दिन के बाद जो है वो सब बातें सामने लेके आ जाएगी।
Not one to back down, Sidhu is on a meeting spree to garner support from Congress netas. On Saturday, he met with Punjab Congress President Sunil Jakhar, followed by several other leaders. Going to their homes personally, this comes just a day after his meeting with Sonia Gandhi in Delhi.
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गले मिल रहे हैं अपने तमाम उन विधायकों के साथ, अपने समर्थकों के साथ। आप देख सकते हैं ये तस्वीरें हैं, पैर छुए हैं उन्होंने सुखी रंधावा के, जो उनके साथ लगातार चल रहे थे। नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अब लगातार कहीं ना कहीं लॉबिंग में जुटे हुए हैं, अपने समर्थक विधायकों को, नेताओं को साधने में लगे हुए हैं। तो दूसरी तरफ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह हरीश रावत से मुलाकात कर रहे हैं।
With only months left to state polls and no end to the bickering in Punjab Congress, the big worry for the Gandhis is that if the war of the Sardar sinks the party's poll fortunes in the upcoming elections. With inputs from Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.